Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Mark, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Performing a deep cleaning on the customer's desktop PC, especially after noticing unusual noise and the presence of ants inside, is a smart and highly necessary decision in situations like this. Insects and dust buildup can lead to serious hardware problems, including short circuits, overheating, and even permanent damage to internal components such as the motherboard, power supply, and fans. The noise may be caused by obstructed cooling fans or the movement of debris and pests inside the system, both of which can reduce cooling efficiency and lead to performance issues or unexpected shutdowns. By opting for a thorough professional cleaning, the customer is taking the right step to protect their investment, improve system airflow, eliminate risks, and restore the desktop's overall health and performance. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.